All right, I'm going to go over how to create your home page. So by default, your home page will display latest posts. So let's go ahead and create a page and tell our theme to use that as the home page. So under pages, we're going to add a new page, and let's just call this one home page example. You'll probably want to call it just home or home page. You can adjust this later on as well if need be. So I'm going to create a new page, and then under page attributes, make sure you select home page. Now that we've done that, I can publish this. And now we need to tell our theme to use that as our home page. And you do that under settings and reading. And then you change your front page displays to a static page. For your front page, we're going to select that page we just created, and you'll just select whatever you named your home page right there. So we named ours home example, so let's go ahead and save that. And now when we view our home page, you can see our home page. All right, so we have our home page with no content. And by default, you won't have a slider. That'll be covered in the next section. If you don't want a slider, you can actually just adjust your home page text to anything. This is useful if you don't have a slider, or you just want like one background image and a title at your home page. This just gives you a second option. All right, so let's go and go over how to add some content. I'm going to go and open up the live preview, and let's go over how to create this. So it's pretty easy. The first sections can be done easily by editing your homepage, and then you can add in some content. So let's go ahead and add in a header. And you can see more options for editing if you click this toolbar toggle. So let's go and do that. And for instance, in the live preview, we have a little header. And so I'm going to make that a huge heading, and I'm going to center it. Then I'm going to add in some content. And then let's go and update it, and then view the page in another tab. We'll just kind of go back and forth. So now you have your header right here, just like the live preview, a bunch of text. And you can create these by two ways. I'll go ahead and show you the way to do it really easily with shortcodes. And then I will show you how to do it with the child page navigation in the next video. But you can do it with shortcodes really easily. Just go under light shortcodes right here and go into grids, and you can choose however many columns you want. Let's go ahead and do 3 columns, and you can add in a title, add in some text. So let's go ahead and make that a title real quick. We get a small heading. And I think we had a little icon in there, so we can just add that. And you can adjust some of these settings right here. So we're gonna let's not use any link. We're just inserting an icon, and we can center that as well and update that. And you can just kind of see how it works. So now you have your first icon, your second column, and third column right there. And you can just edit those via these shortcodes and center whatever text you want to center, etc. So again, let's go and just continue this example. So then we're going to look under that second column, and let's go ahead and insert another image. We'll center that, and then we'll add in a heading and center that. I think this one was a heading 4, yeah, so then we'll change it to heading 4. And this is just showing you how to build the page if you're a little bit new and using shortcodes. So again, you can kind of see how the page builds. So you can use shortcodes if you want. If you don't like shortcodes, don't worry, I'll show you how to create these without any of that shortcode nonsense. But this just gives you an idea of different ways to create your home page. Sometimes it's just easier to see some examples. So we kind of got the home page started, and in the next 2 videos I'll cover how to create the rest of the home page.